Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National University School, Bari. Today, I am going to conduct an English class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, Assignment-1, English. So, my dear students, let's see our today's class. Class 8, there is a mistake in the subject. Subject will be English fast paper. English fast paper. And term half-yearly. Topic Assignment 1 discussion. Lecture 11. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and messenger ID and today's date. So, my dear students, let's start our class. So you can see this is your assignment. I have already posted in your Facebook group. Assignment National English University School, Class 8, Subject English, Assignment 1. So this is your Assignment 1. And unit and title of the lesson, Unit 1, A Glimpse of Our Culture. Lesson number and topics. Lesson 1, our folk songs. Lesson 2, Nokshi Katha. Lesson 3, our ethnic friends. Lesson 4, our ethnic friends 2. Lesson 5, Bangladeshi cuisine. Lesson 6, the children's song. So, my dear students, what you will do, assignment or assigned task. Lesson 4, our ethnic friends 2. So, you will write the answer from a book. Lesson 4, our ethnic friends 2. Suppose you have a foreign friend who is very curious to know about the ethnic people of your country. Now prepare a fact file on them. You can tell about their dress, food, culture, sports and pastimes in 200 words. Use narratives, images, pictures, tables or information as needed. Okay? So when you are writing, when you are doing the assignment, you have to narrate images, you can give some images, pictures also, tables and more informations. So what is the instruction? Teacher will explain to students what a fact file is and how to write it. So I will explain it later. So assessment criteria, the indicator, excellent. Students will be awarded excellent for relevant information, appropriate content and grammar, spelling, punctuation, complete communication and creativity. Very good. Students will be awarded very good for relevant information, appropriate content and grammar, spelling, punctuation, partial communication and creativity. Good. Students will be awarded good for inadequate content, errors in grammar, spelling and punctuation mistakes, less communication and creativity. Needs improvement. Students will be awarded needs improvement for irrelevant information, inappropriate content, frequent grammar and spelling and punctuation mistakes, along with incomplete communication and creativity. So your submission date is 5/4, so 5 April 2021, the assignment date. So my dear students, how you will write your assignment? So English Assignment 1. So let me explain first what is a fact file. What is a fact file? So a fact file is a kind of report when we're writing a report explaining the most important characteristics. So what is a fact file? What is a fact file? So fact file is one kind of report explaining the most important thing, the most significant thing of a topic. So let me explain first. So how we will write the fact file. How we will write the fact file? English Assignment 1. First you will give a topic. Ethnic people of our country. This is your topic. Second, you will write the introduction of a topic. What is introduction? Write something about the topic, the introductory sentences of the topic. And then you will write the dress. So this information is given in a book our ethnic friends. In this book, the information is given. All the information is given. Let me explain first what are the information. You have to include dress, what kind of dress they wear, types of ethnic people, how many ethnic people live in our country, food habits, what are their food habits, and the next one, culture, the culture about something, pastimes or leisure time, how they utilize their leisure time, how they pass their leisure time, pastimes, characteristics, sports, and then conclusion. So this is your topic, and all the information you will get from here. You can also take information from other sources, from Google, from any other book. Okay, so try to enrich your assignment as much as you can. So this is the fact file, how you will write your assignment. Topic: ethnic people of a country, introduction, dress, types of ethnic people, food habit, culture, pastimes, characteristics, sports, and lastly conclusion. So my dear students, your assignment submission date, submission date is submission date 5/4/2021. So 5 April 2021, English Assignment 1 submission date. So my dear students, that's all for today. So do your Assignment 1, English Assignment 1 at home, and submit 5 April 2021. So keep practicing at home. Abid parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.